Hello again. I got a new bucket on the tractor. You can see here was the one that came on there. It was a little bit too narrow, a little bit too bent. This one is just a little bit too big for the tractor, but for what I'm doing it'll work just fine. I cut the old mounts off of the old bucket and had them welded onto the new bucket. Also added some hooks. Replaced a very expensive hydraulic line hose and installed the tire chains. So this thing hopefully should be ready for winter. I hope to take a video or two of the snow removal once I get some piles. I'll see if I can move some snow piles, see how it does. I've never been able to do that because we didn't get any snow last year, but now this thing is finally really where I want it to be. Can't think of anything else it really needs. So we'll see how this new bucket works out, and hopefully I'll have a video of this thing working here in another month or two.